this assessment, we're asked to calculate the KEQ value for the acid-base reaction shown using the pKa values on screen. To start, we see that acetylene with a pKa of 25 is going to be the more acidic compound as compared to ammonia, whose pKa is 38. Given that acid-base reactions move away from the most acidic compound, we're going to expect KEQ for this reaction to be greater than 1, since the product side will be favored. How much greater than 1? Well, for that, we can use our equation that takes the pKa value of the left side acid minus the pKa value of the right side acid as being equal to the negative log of the equilibrium constant. And so what we end up, negative 13 equals the negative log of KEQ. We can divide both sides by negative 1, so that 13 equals the log of KEQ. By taking 10 to both sides, we get a value that KEQ is 10 to the 13th. This matches our prediction of KEQ being greater than 1 based on the fact that acetylene is the more acidic compound.